We'll draw 2 big circles for tires. And then grab whatever color you want the truck to be. I'll make it green today. And then you're going to put these 2 little semicircles for wheel wells. Connect them like that. And then put a line there. Like that. Right, there we go. We'll draw a window. Door handle, maybe some trim right there. Monster trucks are usually really colorful and fun, so feel free to switch colors halfway through or make certain designs. I'll take some orange, do like a roll cage here, maybe a light. I mean, you could draw flames on it, you could draw really anything you want. Now we got to connect the wheels and the truck. First, a lot of monster trucks just have this thing in between that kind of bridges the gap, and then I like to go back with gray. Just connect everything. Of course, if you want to add some more detail, just put like an X here, maybe something on the bottom, and then you could even go back and add some hubcaps to the tires. Even there we go, a monster truck.